Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you about responsive starter templates that will help you to quickly design and develop your WordPress website, and so that you can get started with it. And definitely, if you will need some advanced changes and design changes, then definitely you will need to hire someone like me or some other developer that can do this for you. And definitely, that will cost you something. Okay, first of all, I will tell you about the responsive starter templates. This is they provide free version and pay version as well. This is powered by CyberChimps, and if you will see that they provide different types of templates for every industry. We can say every industry they cover in that, and blogging, real estate, WooCommerce, that is for e-commerce dropshipping websites, for local businesses, website starter templates, health and wellness, business websites, and many other as well. So, and here you can see their already work as well, and you can also go on their website cyberchimps.com, and there you will get the pricing, and you will be able to see that all free and paid themes and templates and plugins as well, and you can check their pricing as well, whatever that suits for you. For one website, for 3 sites, for 100 sites, that is for annual cost, and if you want to go for lifetime, then here it is 299 for 100 sites and for lifetime. If you are a freelancer or an agency, then I would suggest to go for Pro Bundle. That will help you a lot in doing your work very quickly, and you can also show it to your clients as well. So let's get started. I will show you how you can import the templates into the website very quickly. It will we can say that in 5 to 10 minutes you can get your website ready and working. Okay, I will go into the backend. I have already installed the responsive starter templates, free version and pro version as well, because I was having a pro version license, so I am using that. So I will click here and click on responsive templates. Here you will see all the available templates that are free, paid, and all. I can import the paid pro version templates as well, because I have the responsive starter templates pro version. So let's just choose a template. Let's NFT. These days NFT websites and templates are going on trending. So let's try to import the NFT, and let's see how it shows. So let's try to import that. You just need, for importing it, you just need to click on import site, and it will do everything on its own. Like, it will automatically install the plugins, delete the previous import, and import new content, and do the settings as well. So you can see that it's going very quickly, but it will just take some time on import content, because they will need to transfer content from their server to our server, and that's why it takes some seconds. So as you can see that it's deleting previous content that is already there on the website. That is this is also done, as you can see that, and now it's importing content. I hope that will also take some 10 to 20 seconds, or maximum 1 minute for that. As you can see the progress as well. So if you will need any help regarding the website, or you wanted to get a website built, you can also connect with me on my YouTube channel. I have provided the links for my Upwork profile for Calendly consultation if you need any consultation, and Fiverr profile I do provide in inbox or privately. You can reach out to me on my email as well. Okay, so as you can see that the import content is done, import customizer settings are also done, and now it's asking to click on launch site and see how it looks. So let's do that. Okay, here you can see that the site is ready and it has imported all the content. This is very simple. Now uh, we can click on, and we can edit the website, and we can make changes on the site. I can show you. Click on edit with the Elementor, and you will see that you can very easily and quickly edit the changes. But definitely, if you are not a pro or you are a doing it noise person, then definitely you will need my help or some other who can do changes and updates and design changes on your behalf. As you can see that here we have the ability to change that, because I am very much familiar with the WordPress and Elementor and these type of things. That's why it's very easy for me to do that. But definitely, if someone else will do for you, then it will cost you some amounts. So I'm, as you can see that in just 5 minutes our website is ready with a demo content. Definitely you can change the content on your own as well. And yeah, the website is ready. Don't forget to go and subscribe my channel as well, and go to cyberchimps.com. There you can find more premium templates and can see the free templates, and then you can purchase any plan that you would like and that best suits with your needs. Thank you. I hope my this video was helpful for you. Bye bye. Take care.